Let's make the easiest vegetarian burger. The way that we make this burger is very simple. The only thing that you need is a multi-blender and nothing else. We will add all the ingredients there, we will blend it very well, we will grill it our vegetarian burgers, and then in the end we will make our big, nice hamburger. Let's start together step by step. We take these fresh mushrooms and we'll add it in the multi-blender. Not too much. We are doing the same with the other mushrooms. We are doing the same thing with these red beans. The beans, of course, is already boiled. Last ingredients. The mix is ready. We turn on the fire and we grill the burgers. If you make a lot of mix, you can keep it very safe in the freezer, not in the fridge. Some olive oil on the pan and let's make a nice big hamburger. My burger is ready. We turn off the fire, we bring this clean plate and let's make this nice burger. Now I will try my burger. Oh my god. Of course, when you eat burger, a big mess happens. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. See you guys